Hi guys, it's Shigo again. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve my pimple popping monster. Then I will apply some Prozade to glue down my prosthetic. Don't forget to let it dry a little bit, and then you can apply some liquid latex and cotton on the edges to make everything look better. So, to get the pimple popping effect, I'm going to create some little bags and I'm going to add some cream inside. And then I will glue down the little bags under the prosthetic. Now, it's time for foundation. I'm going to apply a lot of foundation today because I want everything to look nice and matte. Don't forget to contour your pimples. I know, I never thought I would have said that in my life either. I'm now gonna add some red around my pimples so they look a little bit more irritated. So, my inspirations behind this look were kind of like the Victorian diseases, extreme pimples and like rotting skin and deformed faces that kind of smell bad. Don't forget the lashes and the eyeliner. Even though we look scary, we still want to have a little bit of a fabulous touch. Well, that's the finished look. I hope you guys got a little bit scared or even felt a little bit sick. I'll see you in your nightmares. Bye! Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for the newest makeup transformations from Beauty One.